Hello, my name is Soren Schmitz. I would like to thank the Health Department of the Chinese People's Liberation Army and all co-organizers for making China 2012 happen. This is a very influential exhibition for the medical equipment industry in all of China and in Asia. We, PCI, and our distributor Beijing Oceanair wish everybody much of success for the next coming days. At PCI, we specialize in equipment that separates air, using cryogenic, membrane or adsorption technology to produce nitrogen or oxygen. Our almost 3,000 on-site concentrators are located all across the world. When it comes to oxygen generation, we use a unique and proprietary vacuum swing adsorption technology, also called VSA. Let's take a closer look.
To begin the process, air is fed to the absorber vessel using a blower. One key advantage of using a blower over a compressor are key power savings. This has a big impact on your operating costs, as our VSA systems typically save more than 50% of power costs when compared to other systems. Using a blower has another big advantage. At the pressure we operate, the water vapor in the air does not condensate. As a consequence, we do not require air drying systems like others do as part of our process.
The oxygen that comes out of the absorber vessel is up to 95% pure.
This is our product gas, and we use special oxygen compressors to meet the customer pressure requirements. During the next step of the process, the blower direction is reversed and starts acting as a vacuum pump, evacuating all the nitrogen out of the absorber vessel back to atmosphere. The result of this wonderfully simple process is that no process valves are required in the feed air and waste gas evacuation steps. Just look at the picture and you can see how simple our process is compared to other ways of generating oxygen. Significantly less valves, significantly less components or rotating parts, translating into greatly reduced maintenance costs, and of course, at least 50% less power consumption. Our systems have by far the lowest operating cost in today's marketplace. If this is not enough, our systems take hours instead of days to install, and will require less than 50% of the space occupied by other systems.
We offer our oxygen generators in 5 basic sizes to cover the capacity for under ½ ton per day to up to 40 tons per day, or 5 cubic meters per hour to over 1,000 cubic meters per hour. These oxygen generators find use in multiple applications: health, water, energy, and industrial. On the health side, our units are used to make medical grade oxygen that is used in hospitals. Since our generators are very compact, they are the perfect solution for mobile fill hospitals, where small size and mobility are the key. Our larger units are the perfect solution for large stationary hospitals. One important feature is that our units can automatically adjust their output flow to the necessary demand and save a lot of energy. The same applies, of course, to other applications other than health. For example, water and wastewater treatment. There is a myriad use where oxygen is helpful. For example, activated sludge processes, odor control, lake oxygenation, or water disinfectant through ozone, which is made from oxygen. Besides health and water treatment, there are various industrial, chemical, combustion, and clean energy applications that need oxygen.
In all of these different applications, there are a few areas that stand out with our unique systems. A very simple yet flexible design, operating costs that are 50% or more lower than other offerings. This translates into an oxygen price that can yield tremendous savings compared to other modes of oxygen supply. Come visit us at our website or give us a call.